Hello, Susan Vincentz here, and we're ready for part 12 of our Google Classroom tutorial series. And today we're going to talk about the quiz feature that's within Google Classroom. So again, I'm going to navigate over to Classwork, hit my Create button, and I can see that there's a quiz assignment feature here. Now, when I click on Quiz Assignment, it's going to take me here to create an actual assignment like I have been doing. So we're going to say we're going to do our water cycle quiz. And then open and complete the form below. So then what it does is it actually creates a Google form for you to edit and add your quiz there. So I'm going to hit blank quiz here. And then it takes me into Google Forms, and it lets me edit that form however I want to. So if this is my water cycle quiz, I'm going to give it a title, and then make sure my title up here matches accordingly. And then I'll give my directions like I normally would and just go ahead and create my form, and then put in my answer choices, and I can add as many questions as I want. And that will save. You can make an answer key here and do all of those normal things that you would on a Google form. So now you also have the ability here, when you assign this quiz to students and they are using Chromebooks, you can actually set it to where it's locked in that quiz and they can't go anywhere else. So if you turn this on, it will go into lock mode for just that quiz on a Chromebook. They have to be using a Chromebook though. So then I can give it the number of points I want, the due date, if I want to fill that in, and again, I'm going to put my topic on there. Then I'm going to assign it. So then let's look at what this looks like for an actual student. So then if I'm going to go into my test student, Anne's account, we're going to go to her classwork page, and we're going to click on our water cycle section, and we have this quiz now assigned to us. So open and complete the form. So Anne's going to open the form. Okay. And notice right here, I am not currently on a Chromebook. So lock mode is on, and only respondents using Manage Chromebooks can open this quiz. So the nice thing about that lock mode is when you're in your classroom and they're on the Chromebooks, it will go ahead and lock them in. Okay, so now I can edit that if I so choose. So remember, on any of these assignments or questions, we can go in and edit them. So if I use the three dots, click Edit, now I can take the lock mode off and hit Save. Now, let's see if Anne can access it. If I go to Water Cycle Quiz, Anne should be able to now answer those questions and submit that quiz. And then this one's set to where she can view her score. Now, when I go back to my teacher page and I go in and look, it's going to refresh for a moment. And then if I look at my water cycle quiz assignment, I can see that Anne has turned it in. Click on that, and then I can check her quiz by going into that Google form. So again, under Classwork, this is one of the additional options where you can create the quiz right here inside of Google Classroom, which will take you out to a form that you will be able to edit and also have the ability to turn on lock mode if you so choose. If there is anything that you need, please do not hesitate to reach out and I will be happy to assist. Thank you very much.